To install a label web on the CTM3608 printer applicator, first remove 2 to 3 feet of labels from the front of the roll to ensure a liner-only condition of the leader. Loosen the lever and remove the outside unwind disc. Then install the label roll, seating it firmly against the inside unwind disc on the roller. Replace the outside unwind disc firmly against the label roll and tighten the locking lever. Thread the label liner around the unwind dancer arm and in front of the 2-inch roller. Open the print engine cover, label sensor lever, print head lever and the platen roller. Thread the label liner between the 1-inch rollers and straight through the print engine section. Pull the label liner through until the first label aligns with the peel edge of the print head. Thread the label liner around the roller, making sure the liner is behind the air assist tube and returns through the platen roller. Pull the label liner straight back to the rewind mandrel. Remove the rewind pin and feed the label liner under the rewind mandrel and over top of the groove as shown. Replace the rewind pin over the label liner and manually rewind clockwise until the slack is taken up. Close the platen roller, print head, label sensor, and the print engine cover. This completes the label web process.